Are you feeling a bit sluggish lately? Maybe your energy levels aren't quite where they used to be, or you're just not feeling like yourself. Well, it might have something to do with your testosterone levels. Testosterone is a vital hormone that plays a big role in our bodies, affecting everything from our sex drive to our muscle mass, and even our bone health. But as we get older, our testosterone levels can dip, leaving us feeling less energetic and maybe not quite ourselves. The good news? There are simple, natural ways to give them a boost, starting with what's on your plate. It's all about giving your body the right nutrients to do its thing. So, what should you be munching on? 15 amazing foods to naturally increase your testosterone levels. Number 1. Spinach. Popeye wasn't just strong because of his muscles. He was onto something with all that spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of several important minerals, including iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining the proper functioning of the body. It's packed with magnesium, which is important for muscle development and keeping our reproductive system in check. Magnesium is involved in various biochemical reactions in the body, including the regulation of blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and nerve function. Iron is necessary for the production of red blood cells, while calcium is essential for the development and maintenance of strong bones and teeth. Potassium helps to maintain a healthy balance of fluids in the body, supports proper muscle function, and helps to regulate heart rhythm. By incorporating spinach into your diet, you can boost your testosterone levels and enjoy the benefits of these essential minerals, which help to promote overall health and well-being.
You gotta eat your spinach.
Number 2. Garlic and onions. Garlic and onions are not only flavorful additions to meals, but also rich sources of essential minerals. They contain compounds that can stimulate hormone release and reduce levels of cortisol, a stress hormone that competes with testosterone. These pungent bulbs also contain sulfur, which plays an essential role in the formation of certain amino acids and proteins, making them a vital part of a healthy diet. Try adding these tasty ingredients to your meals for a natural and easy way to actually increase your testosterone levels and give your body a boost. Number 3. Broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is high in indoles, compounds that can help flush out excess estrogen from the body, allowing testosterone to do its thing. It is rich in calcium, which is necessary for strong bones and teeth, as well as potassium and magnesium, which play a vital role in regulating blood pressure and keeping the heart healthy. Moreover, broccoli contains trace amounts of iron and zinc, which are essential minerals for the body's immune system and metabolism. Not only is broccoli rich in essential minerals, but it has also been shown to boost testosterone levels. Therefore, including broccoli in your diet is an excellent way to ensure that you are getting the necessary minerals for optimal health. Number 4. Eggs. They're not just for breakfast, they're also packed with nutrients like cholesterol and aspartic acid, which are important for testosterone production. Eggs are also a rich source of phosphorus, a mineral essential for healthy bones and teeth. They contain selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects the body from oxidative damage and supports the immune system. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, a nutrient that plays a critical role in brain development and function. In addition to these crucial minerals, eggs also contain smaller amounts of calcium, iron, and zinc, which are essential for various bodily functions. All in all, incorporating eggs into your diet can be an easy and delicious way to boost your testosterone production. Number 5. Bananas and avocados. Bananas and avocados are both great sources of essential nutrients. They are rich in nutrients like potassium and vitamin B6, which can help support testosterone levels. Potassium is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure, nerve function, and muscle contractions. Both fruits contain magnesium, which plays a role in numerous biochemical reactions in the body, including energy metabolism and protein synthesis. Avocados are also a good source of copper, a trace mineral that supports the immune system, helps in forming red blood cells, and maintains healthy bones and nerves. Number 6. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are a nutrient-dense food that is particularly high in selenium, a trace mineral that is essential for many bodily functions. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports a healthy immune system. Selenium is essential for hormone health and sperm motility. It plays a key role in thyroid function by helping to regulate the production of thyroid hormones. Eating just one Brazil nut per day can provide your body with the recommended daily intake of selenium, making it an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Number 7. Oysters. These slippery little guys aren't just a fancy appetizer, they're also high in zinc, which can help increase testosterone levels and improve muscle growth. Zinc plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system, promoting wound healing, and aiding DNA synthesis. It is also important for proper growth and development, as well as maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Consuming oysters regularly can provide the body with the necessary zinc it needs to function optimally and, of course, increase testosterone levels. Number 8. Fatty fish and tuna. Fatty fish and tuna are excellent sources of various minerals, including omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish can support sperm health, while tuna is high in vitamin D, which has been linked to increased testosterone levels. Selenium helps protect cells from damage, supports thyroid function, and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Magnesium is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production, muscle function, and bone health, and fatty fish and tuna contain notable amounts of it. These fish varieties are rich in potassium, an electrolyte important for nerve function, muscle contraction, and maintaining fluid balance within cells. Phosphorus is essential for bone health, energy production, and cell repair, and fatty fish and tuna are good sources of phosphorus as well. If you want to boost your testosterone levels, you need to incorporate fatty fish and tuna into your diet. These seafoods are packed with nutrients that can help you raise your testosterone levels and improve your overall health. So why wait? Number 9. Red meat. Red meat is high in zinc and saturated fat, both of which are important for testosterone production. Red meat is also rich in heme iron, which is easily absorbed by the body and helps in producing hemoglobin, a protein that carries oxygen throughout the body. Phosphorus is another nutrient found in red meat, which is important for bone health, energy production, and cell repair. Red meat also contains selenium, though not as much as fatty fish, which helps in fighting against oxidative damage and supports thyroid function. Studies have shown that red meat consumption can help increase testosterone production. So why not try adding a juicy steak or a hearty burger to your meals and reap the benefits of this delicious and protein-packed food? Number 10. Beans. Beans are a great source of protein and zinc, which are important for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. They provide non-heme iron, which is not as easily absorbed as heme iron, but still contributes to overall iron intake. They contain magnesium, which plays an important role in muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation, and bone health. Additionally, beans are a good source of potassium, which helps support heart health and maintain proper fluid balance. They also contain phosphorus, which is important for bone health and energy metabolism. If you're looking to boost your testosterone levels and improve your overall health, then beans should be a staple in your diet. Not only are they delicious and nutritious, but they also contain crucial nutrients that are essential for optimal testosterone production. Number 11. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, a mineral that is involved in many enzymatic activities in the body, including testosterone production. They are rich in magnesium, which is necessary for numerous physiological processes in the body. They also contain iron, which supports oxygen transport in the blood and plays a vital role in energy metabolism. Pumpkin seeds contain phosphorus, which is essential for bone health and energy production. They provide copper, which supports the formation of red blood cells and collagen, as well as proper immune function and nerve health. Pumpkin seeds can help testosterone production. try adding some pumpkin seeds to your meals today. Number 12. Coconut. It's a source of saturated fat, which plays a role in testosterone production. Coconut contains manganese, which supports bone formation, wound healing, and the metabolism of carbohydrates, amino acids, and cholesterol. The copper in coconut contributes to various physiological processes, including iron metabolism, collagen formation, and antioxidant defense. Coconut also contains small amounts of iron, magnesium, and potassium, which are vital for many bodily functions such as muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation, heart health, and bone health. Although coconut has less iron than red meat or pumpkin seeds, it can still contribute to overall iron intake. Research has shown that incorporating coconut into your diet can help boost your testosterone levels. So if you're looking to improve your overall health and wellness, consider adding a little bit of coconut to your daily routine. There you have it. 15 foods to naturally boost your testosterone levels. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how you live your life. Getting enough sleep, managing stress, and staying active can all help keep your testosterone levels in check. And if you're experiencing symptoms of low testosterone, like low sex drive or fatigue, it might be worth talking to your doctor about it. As we grow older, it's natural for our testosterone levels to decrease. But worry not. These foods and tips can help you maintain healthy levels of this vital hormone. So why not start incorporating some of these testosterone-boosting foods into your meals today? If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I truly understand how crucial it is to maintain good health, and I'm here to help you achieve that. I have created another video especially for you, so that you can have access to even more valuable nutritional content. Remember, your journey to a healthier lifestyle is a marathon, not a sprint. So, let's keep the conversation going. Drop your questions, thoughts, or your go-to nutritious recipes in the comments below,